안녕 친구들! Today I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me using all the products that I love and also recommend to all makeup beginners out there. This video is a sponsored video with iHerb. I picked up some of my favorite K-beauty items from their site, so hope you guys enjoy and let's get it started! First thing, I'm going to apply this COSRX pimple pad. I broke out last week because of the micro dust in Korea. It's actually really bad and decided to incorporate this product back into my skincare routine, and it's been helping my skin a lot. I also love how it comes in a soak pad, so it is actually much more easier to prep and clean the skin before applying other skincare products. And now moving on to my favorite moisturizer of all time. I think you guys have already seen this in most of my get ready with me videos or even skincare routine. I can't live without this moisturizer from the Stem, you guys. This is their Harakeke line, or Harakiki, I don't know how to pronounce it. It is perfect for people who have dry skin and also perfect for all skin type during winter. I love how this one feels really light on the skin but does a wonderful job in deeply moisturizing my skin. Onto BB cream, I decided to pick up the Holika Aqua Petite Jelly BB cream. This product was so huge 7 years ago when I just started, and I wanted to bring this back in this video because it's a lightweight BB cream with a matte finish, perfect for spring and summer. So for makeup starter, I highly recommend this product because it is light on the skin, but at the same time it gives you a super natural look and also give you really nice light to medium coverage. In case you guys are wondering, I got all these products from iHerb. iHerb carries over 5,000 Korean beauty products that can be shipped to over 160 countries, and their customer service is also available in 10 different languages, which is super cool. I was a loyal customer of iHerb before I partnered up with them for this video, and I've always loved how they're very quick with shipping and also really good with their customer service. Moving on to eyebrow pencil, I recently discovered this and I've been obsessed with it for the past 1 week. I understand why Heimish is so popular now. Not only their eyeshadow palette is amazing, but their brow pencil, you guys, is so easy to work with and so pigmented. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrow according to my brow shape. Since this is a natural makeup, we're not gonna go too straight or too arch for this look. If I have to pick one brand to try out on iHerb, I would highly recommend you guys to check out Heimish. They have beautiful selection of point makeup from eyeshadows all the way to lip tint. I've used a lot of their products before and I really love it, so definitely check it out. Highly recommend. Now taking this eyeshadow palette from Heimish, we're gonna take this light brown color eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelid. Usually, I like to apply the leftover of the shadow and apply it on the lower outer V to define the eyes and make the eyes look more deeper. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm not gonna line my eyes, we're just gonna apply a little bit on my outer V and smudge it out. I like doing this on days I don't want to put on eyeliner and looking too obvious that I have eye makeup on. I like smudging it to make the eye look more natural but at the same time defining it. To finish off the eye makeup look, we're gonna take this Innisfree Skinny Micro Cara. This is one of my favorite mascara of all time. It looks so interesting because it's so skinny, but guys, never judge a book by its cover because this mascara is bomb. It volumizes and also lengthens my lashes really well. And also, this thing doesn't clump at all, you guys. I've tried so many different type of mascaras before and so far this has the least clumping, so I highly recommend. Finally, onto the lips, I'm going to apply this tinted lip balm from Skin Food. This is one of the most wearable one, and also the lasting power of this lip tint is really impressive. The color I picked today is more towards everyday wearable pink. It gives a very lovely but at the same time a very natural look. And to finish off the look, we're going to moisturize my lips with Honey Lip Balm from Skin Food to make my lips more full and healthy. We're We're finally done with quick, easy, and natural makeup. Get ready with me. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong!